How to use Canva's content planner to schedule content to your social media platforms. Now we're inside Canva and we're going to go to the content planner section. Now this is only available in Canva Pro. I'm currently in May, and these are the dates that I can currently schedule. So I'm just gonna select the 31st. I'm gonna go with my past design, and I'm going to first schedule to my Instagram, and it's 3 pages, but I only want the first page to be scheduled, so I'm gonna select JPEG. If you have multiple pages in a file, you can only schedule 1 page at a time to Instagram, so you'll then select which page. So here I'm selecting page 1. I'm going to write my caption. And then I'm going to hit schedule, and it's scheduled for Tuesday the 31st, and I can set the time. So I'm going to change the time to 5:11 p.m. Done. And then I would hit schedule, and it would appear right here in my content planner calendar. Now, to make changes, I will click on it, and I can change the posting date, edit the design, make a copy, or I can just delete the post completely or save it as a draft if it's not totally ready to be scheduled. Next up, we're going to use the same post and we're going to schedule to Twitter. Again, it's going to be an image, and on Twitter you can schedule up to 1 to 3 pages on Twitter. So because I have 3 pages in this file, I can schedule all 3 pages, but again, I only want to schedule page 1. And you'll do the same thing, write a caption, schedule. You could also go and adjust the time as well. And finally, I'm going to show you how to schedule to Pinterest. So we're going to select Pinterest, and it's going to be an image. You'll type in the title. So that is going to be Canva Creatives Email Series. I only want page 1 again. Description will go here. And this is the board that it will be posting to. So to change that, you're going to go to select a channel and Pinterest, and then select the board you want to choose. So I wanted to go to my board Hello Next Brand, and it's going to go right here. Add a destination link and then hit schedule. So now I have 2 boards on my list. I also have Twitter, and then I have Instagram. And that is how you schedule to your social media using Canva's content planner.